Hello everyone, welcome to our channel, and today we will see how we can use ChatGPT in Italy, as it got banned in Italy, but we can still access ChatGPT in Italy. So for that you need a VPN, and if you don't have account on ChatGPT, then you would probably also need a phone number from US or a country where ChatGPT is available or working. So for that you can just simply go on Google and search for phone numbers, temporary phone numbers, just like the emails. You will be able to get plenty of them, whether from US or any other country. And as for the VPN, you can go for the paid VPNs out there, but this is the free one that I would just suggest you, and it is called Windscribe. You can just simply search for it on Chrome Web Store or Google browser, and you will be able to get it. It is absolutely free, and you can get the servers around the world using Windscribe, and it is absolutely helpful. So I hope this video was helpful. If you still need any help, you can always comment down below. Our team will be happy to help you out. Make sure to hit that like button and also subscribe to our channel for more helpful videos.